In an era where global supply chains are facing unprecedented scrutiny from governments and consumers alike, Tesla's unwavering embrace of its partnerships with Chinese manufacturers has become a lightning rod for debate. Imagine a world where the birthplace of your car's components could dictate its fate. Now, picture Tesla boldly pushing back against that notion. Intrigued? Let's unpack this story and see why it might just redefine how we think about international business ties. Picture this: a high-ranking executive from Tesla Incorporated, the trailblazing electric vehicle powerhouse, recently chimed in on social media to defend the company's close-knit relationships with suppliers based in China. This comes hot on the heels of reports suggesting Tesla might be eyeing a pivot away from some of those very partners. But here's where it gets controversial. Grace Tao, Tesla's vice president in China, took to Weibo, a popular Chinese platform similar to Twitter, to make a clear statement that the origin country of a supplier isn't a deal-breaker for the company. She emphasized that Tesla applies the same strict, objective standards when vetting suppliers, whether they are in the United States, China, or Europe. In simple terms, for beginners diving into the world of manufacturing, this means Tesla doesn't discriminate based on borders. Instead, they focus on quality, reliability, and performance to ensure every part meets their high benchmarks, no matter where it's produced. It's like choosing the best ingredients for a recipe. You care about taste and freshness, not necessarily where the farm is located. To clarify a bit more, supply chain scrutiny often arises from concerns like geopolitical tensions, trade policies, or even ethical sourcing. For instance, if a supplier in one country faces tariffs or sanctions, companies like Tesla might explore alternatives to avoid disruptions. Yet, Tao's message underscores a commitment to globalization, suggesting that sticking to proven partners can be more efficient than constant shuffling. And this is the part most people miss. By maintaining consistent standards across continents, Tesla aims to build a resilient network that prioritizes excellence over geography, a strategy that could benefit everyone from shareholders to everyday drivers by keeping costs down and innovation flowing. Of course, this approach isn't without its doubters. Critics might argue that heavy reliance on China exposes Tesla to risks like trade wars or supply bottlenecks, potentially jeopardizing production lines for models like the Model 3 or Cybertruck. On the flip side, proponents could see it as a savvy move for diversification and cost savings in a competitive market. What do you think? Does Tesla's refusal to exclude Chinese suppliers represent smart, inclusive business tactics, or a risky gamble on global stability? Is the company's uniform standards a beacon of fairness, or merely a convenient smokescreen? We'd love to hear your take, agree, disagree, or offer a fresh perspective. Drop your thoughts in the comments below.